Hello, and welcome to another stream of the challenge going from 0 to 100k. I hope everyone's having a good day. Sorry for the delay, I had to wrap up something, and I still have to finish it. Today must be interesting. Hopefully. Hello, Brian. Nice to see you again. Nuke, Vid, Mihai, DZ, and Boss Coding, Igor. Welcome everyone to the stream. Okay. So, I've been working on a new article for the Make Money Dev blog. And I want to review it. Here is the article. I want to review it and upload it. So that will be part of today's stream, although I know it's not 100% related to the weekly deal challenge, but yeah. Hey Rahul, I'm good, how are you? Early gang, yeah, we'll do that too in about... actually, after I finish reading the income report. Basically, I've been wanting to do this for a while. Let me show you. If we go on Twitter, there is Monica, who I really admire, and she's been writing... Just a second. Yeah, so she's been doing these monthly reports of like how much she made and what she did and how she did it and stuff like that. And it's pretty cool to read, especially for me. So I've been thinking for a while now. Actually, it was several months since I saw something like this, and I wanted to do it on my blog as well. This is pretty nice. Let me share you in the chat, because you actually have to read and get to see everything what's happening, like how much money she made, the traffic, the project, the profit, and pretty much everything. My article will be about the month of August, because now we're September. So yeah, I wanted to write about that, and I wrote it in the morning. I had to leave, so now I'm back, and I want to like wrap it up, read the last parts, and then launch it. Well, actually push it to the blog, and maybe I'll write a tweet about it. So yeah, that's what I want to do. You won't be able to read it yet, but as the short recap, last month I made... So keep in mind that this is separate from this challenge which I'm doing live, from 0 to 100k. That's like a small fraction of my entire business, which is my YouTube channel, the Twitter, sponsors, book, course, and everything. So in August 2021, I need to increase the font on the blog. I made over 20k, although part of it is still not paid yet from the sponsors. I still need to get the money, but everything's done on my side. I just need to... They have all those things to do on the bureaucracy part, I guess. So yeah. Okay, so let me... and breaking down the 7 income streams. Yeah, I'll multiply your 0. So basically, the Udemy course did 4.5k, ebook almost 1k, from on the YouTube channel 1.1k from ads, which is actually an increase, $300 since last month, and that's because I was more active, and also my 10-hour video got way more views. Actually, it got 281,000 views out of all views on my channel, 471k in the last month. And only this video made $600 last month. So it's amazing and terrifying at the same time. Yeah, I'm writing here in the article. And then weekly deals almost 2,000. The notes 145. So yeah, that's that. Okay. Okay, and then the plans for September. Yeah, so the early gang will be done in a second. Just let me finish reading this and make sure that everything's all right. Short vacation. Yeah, I'm going on short vacation this month. Trying to enjoy the last hot days of this year. The nice aqua park. Once I'm back, I'm continuing weekly streams. When I find my YouTube channel, the goal for this month is to learn all the tools I need to create and a bit fast. Okay. Maybe I should put a link here on the YouTube channel. HTTPS youtube.com/pop. The goal for this month is to learn all the tools I need to create an MVP fast. So yeah, this is the goal for this month, to learn all the tools I need to create an MVP fast. I still have to learn my way around adding a payment. Have to figure out my way around adding a payment gateway on a website to be able to charge PayPal, to be able to charge. Yeah, to charge. George, hello. And then writing, I plan to continue to develop my writing skills by adding new articles to this blog. I also want to continue a new section for tidbits, short articles packed with information about the things I'm learning. And last but not least, I want to make this blog look a bit better. Maybe I should hire a designer. PayPal is the key. Yeah, I still need to figure out how the VAT and all that works. So that's the... well, that's all for these posts. The check back in. How should I wrap it up? Stripe. I saw a lot of people use it. Yeah, no Stripe. It'll be either Gumroad or Paddle. Make sure you let me know how you like these kind of posts. Peace. Don't Stripe only accept CC. I'm not sure. How long did it take you to write the post? 2 hours or so. Something like that. Alright. Let me add it. Git add. Git commit. New post. August. Income report. Report or rep? Yeah, report. Okay. Git push. Okay, so that's that. It should be up on the blog in a couple of minutes. So that's good. Hey Jordan. In the meantime, let's do the early gang. Yay. Folder, chat leaderboard. So you have a couple of seconds left for the early gang. Pulse with the late gang. Through with the early gang. I need the YouTube URL. npm run database. Hey Michael, welcome. And let's do npm start. I'll leave just a couple of seconds so you can see what's happening. It's interesting how the image is squeezed. Other than that, it looks good. Early gang, early gang. What is early gang database stuff? Yeah, so basically it's a leaderboard I'm having with people who are active in the chat. They get points, and at the end of the month, we'll select a couple of winners to which will get something. Tomorrow is actually the draw. All right, so early gang in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, do you use next image? No, I don't. I don't actually use that. All right, that's it. So Vid, first place. Philip and Igor is third. Ooh, nice. Katalin said that he won't be able to make it. Well, hey Yusuf, nice to see you. And yeah, look at that, 53 people said at least once. You're third place, awesome. Okay. Yeah, so I'm doing these hashtags. Came across this yesterday, kind of annoying. The fact that you missed it, or yeah, so basically I'm doing these hashtags at the beginning of the stream, at the end of the stream, and somewhere around in the middle or randomly to reward those who are active in the chat. That's the goal of this project. Okay, and so far so good. Nobody got all the points, but Vid got 15, and well, today is the, well, I guess it's tomorrow as well. At the end we'll have, I was thinking to give away my book. I'm still thinking if I should give away something for all those in the top. And besides that, pick a random person, which might be even someone with 1 point. That gives a chance. So yeah, I think I'll probably do that. And at the same time, like find what else I can give away. All right, so let me put this false, and then we'll have other keywords. Good. In the meantime, my article should be up. Awesome. So now you can read the income report. Will you keep this going for 1,000 days, and then at the very final draw, the winner gets the million you made? Yeah, that will be cool. I'd like to give stuff away more, and I'll try to figure things out on how I can do that. That's one of my goals, but yet I don't have like a solid plan on how to do that, but it's in my mind, so yeah. Okay. So this is done. Income report, maybe, yeah. It still probably needs some editing, and I don't like the fact that this is not very visible. It's a bit crowded. Yeah. I guess for those who have the book, I can give away something else. Okay, I guess I'll make the tweet after the stream. You get to be the first ones to read this article. Yeah, the goal for this project blog is to be the main place where I write about the from 0 to 100K challenge and the $1 million challenge and all that. And besides that, random articles about how to make money as a developer. I still need to write an article about how to make money as an open source contributor. And I want to write an article about how to make your first money online. And that's like without having a product. And that's affiliate marketing. Okay. Good. But in the meantime, let's go back to our challenge, the 0 to 100K, and look at the to-dos. I did this yesterday. Show the income next to the project as well. I did that. Check Philip's implementation of the YouTube chat project. Okay. Philip, I want you to check this. Hi, do you know WordPress? Yes, I know, but not so much. Code. Copy. Let's install it. Oops. Git clone. And today also I would like to play around more with Supabase. I know Mihai likes that, so that will be fun as well. YouTube chat leaderboard. Supabase. Yeah, I kind of like it as well. So Philip, this is the project which basically is the YouTube chat leaderboard project where we have all the information about the messages and all that. Okay. Yeah, Michael, I agree. If you have a book, yeah. I don't know resources for learning WordPress because I don't know it that well. Okay, server rest. What? Be sure to pass through as a second argument to URL parse. I don't know what this start and no, I think he made some kind of a front-end project. Dev, npm dev, nodemon, server, lib, leaderboard, checker, JS. Let's run it, see how it works. npm run dev. Npm install first. Npm install. Hey bro, how can I learn JavaScript? Tell me bro. Is it advanced? Yeah, FreeCodeCamp is a good place. YouTube crash courses are good. Udemy courses. Play on Code Wars, that's also good. There's so many things. In Isental. Yeah, I saw. But it worked. Did you see that it worked? It started running. I'm wondering if that's some kind of a typo which they covered. Good. A store. Okay, he added so many things. It's crazy. Pages, index, home, use state, this TypeScript. Ugh. Okay, npm run dev. Ooh. No, it's not gonna enter. I need an, huh? That's weird. Yeah, this is using JSON server for the database. Because we have here all the data we need. Well, I think it needs users, but why is this complaining? I guess I can remove it. Okay. JSON server is running. Localhost 3001. Let's see. Okay, so this is the leaderboard. All the data, yeah, exactly. But where are the... Well, I guess go to check the server. So we have if dev referendum production. Where is Philip? If pet name the resistance, pet name start to listen, just and manager. I guess manager. Let's see. Slash manager. Nope. Start. Yeah, something's definitely not started listening. Yeah. Yeah, it looks a bit messy. That's what I don't like about working on others people's code, because I don't get it. Anyway. I'm thinking. Think. I want to work with Supabase to create a website where yeah, I started on Twitter first, and yeah, I also shared my art. I started as a blogger. Else you can state, yeah. So I started with the blog, I shared it on Twitter and on Reddit and pretty much everywhere I could, but I don't remember now when. Facebook groups, LinkedIn, I guess, as well. And I slowly started to grow my audience on Twitter. And after like 8 months, I started the YouTube channel. And then I continued to like create content and all that. Okay, so are you sleepy now? I kinda am. But no, I want to. Oops. I want to create a new folder. Let's call it Habit. Hobbit. Hobbit. Habit. Fabit. What's Fabit? I was banned. Michael, pick both are valid. Having a blog is valid. Having a YouTube channel is valid. I would do both and see which one goes well for me, because it differs from people to people, but from person to person. But like both are viable. I know people who are good at YouTube. I know people are good at blogging, and eventually I would do both. Like create YouTube videos and then make blogs out of them. And exactly, like Nuke says, blogs are very useful to when you need something fast. Okay. I'm sleepy. But I won't give up. I want to make a project today with Supabase. And for that, let's see. If you've been watching the streams for a while, what's the first thing I do when I start? Oh, not always, but like most times, what is the first thing I do when I start working on a new project? If anyone can guess, they get 2 points in the leaderboard. There is like, yeah, I'll allow a minute or so. What's the first thing I usually do when I start working on a project? When I have an idea of a project? If you guess, you get 2 points. I still need to figure out how to give you points, but I'll find them. Brainstorming session, open VS Code, you make notes. Vid, I'm sorry to like it. It kind of a mix there. It is a brainstorming session, but mostly it's I write notes. Yeah, I make notes and brainstorming session. So oh well. It's so basically I write notes and I brainstorm the project and I write down the MVP. Yeah, so You all right. You turn on the PC. uh, split them up between us. Yeah, I'll do that. And I'll give Igor a point as well. Yeah, let's do that. How do I give points? Do you ask? I don't know. I'll figure it out now. I guess I can do something like open folder. Let's open the project first. I keep forgetting the project. Chat didn't work. Oprah. You get the point, and you get the point, and everybody gets a point. So in the DB, I'll just take your names. So we have Igor with a point. And I guess the message will be extra point. ID. What's the deal of the message? I'll change this to F or something. Okay, and then we have bid. And I also wanted to give one to nuke. This is not the best way to give an extra point. But yeah, where's nuke? Hey, here, the gang. Perfect. Good. And this will be extra point. I'll just change characters there randomly. Good, should work. Hopefully. First thing you do is open CSS files you import and put font pop. Yeah, that's another first thing, but yeah. I'm thinking about making a dev site to write articles and create a components library to help myself learn by writing about things and to get freelance work indirectly. Yeah, that's a good idea. I like that. Are you using other guys' code or you were just checking for examples? Philip was helping by adding more features to the project. And I checked out the code to see what he added, and yeah, I didn't understand most things. But yeah. Just a second, I have some message to listen to. Yeah. Okay, so habit. Let's work on habit. Actually, Vit said that habit is close to Kaizen, which is commit to sticking to your learning goals, run by people who commit to sticking to their learning goals. Learning is important, learning leads to growth. Be able to add an entry with what you learned, share progress on social media, leaderboard with people who learn the most, streak, weekly, monthly, yearly, extra features. What is tweet video? You can get the notion and see. Okay, so what I'm thinking about when it comes to habit is a place where you can set yourself to get into a habit of doing daily something. Like, for example, let's say I want to run every day for 7 days, 30 days, 90, 100 days, I don't know. You can have 3 types or something. And every day you come back to the site and you check to see how it went. And you can also share about that. It kind of, yeah, kind of like Kaizen, but this is learning. The other one is actually tracking your habits. So habit. Yeah, I'll make another one just for the sake of it. Page. Habit. Track your goal. Track your habits. Habits. Habit. Do we have something like Habit? Habit, bespoke manufacturing, fulfillment. What? Habit, that app, improve your financial habits. So yeah, that's the thing. Habit. Fabulous habits. No, it comes from Florian. Florian habit. Or habit, then. Habit. Improve financial goals. So this is something already. Let's check habit. Fab it. Fabricate it. Or habit name, meaning, and habit family history. That's the thing. Habit is good. Whatever. Pop habits. Or purple habit. Okay, so track your habits. Build a 7-day habit. Build a 7-day streak of doing a task and make it a habit. I don't know, 7, 30, 100 days streak. Kind of like that. Rabbit. Sounds like a rabbit, but it's a habit. Track your daily habits. Alright. Now let's go to the MVP. What I want this project to have. Basically, I want to allow user to sign up. So user sign up. And then a user is able to sign up. User is able to create a new habit for 7, 30, 100 day. It doesn't sound bad, like create a new habit, like create a new user is able to, like they will say that I want for this next 7 days do something. You once showed your personal habit tracker a red dot or something. That would be a cool, quick tracker to fill every day. So user is able to join to start a new habit for, and then user is able to like join daily, no, like keep track of the announce, is able to, yeah, is able to announce. Yeah, something like that, announce. Let's put the word here, announce. Yeah, this is a new app. User is able to keep track of, is able to log in daily and mark the habit as, like, I don't know, completed for that day, right? Why do I get so many? So many things. What language did you learn? Like speaking language? That's English, Hungarian, Romanian. Coding language, that's JavaScript. That's I don't know much. Okay. So sign up. I kind of want to picture the whole, let's write the user flow. User, like 1. User signs up. 2. User selects a period 7, 30, 100 days. User writes the habit to be tracked. Tudsz magyarul? Csak egy kicsit. Well, more than just a bit. Yeah. Maybe as a side feature, let people also do something like 4 times per week. For example, if you want to go to the gym 4 times per week and see how many weeks I managed to do that. Hey. My most favorite part of the stream is brainstorming idea. Yeah. Why did you learn Hungarian? I learned Hungarian because my grandparents are Hungarians and I lived there for a couple of years. So yeah. All right, so let's focus on the app. So user signs up. When they sign up, I would also like to have some kind of a timeline of updates. User can see a timeline of updates from other users. User can like other users' updates. User can I guess this is not MVP. I need to do something like extra features. User can comment on other users' updates. Something like keep going or you will fail. I get it a lot. Yeah. So sign up, start a new habit. User is able to log in daily. No, user is able to mark daily the habit as completed. And then user is able to add a comment to the completed habit, something like that. User can set timeline of updates from other users. User can like other users' updates. Yeah. And then, I'm not sure if we extra feature or not, user can share their update on other social media platforms. Something like that. So user signs up, user selects, I guess this will go up. Yeah, I'll do it in Supabase. User writes the habit to be tracked. User selects a period. Yeah, let's at the beginning just do 30 days. So then it will just be simple. User updates their progress daily. For those extra features, you probably need to implement public-private. Public-private? Not sure what you mean with that. I will see. It should be fun. I want to build this. Even if it doesn't work out, I just want to build something like this to play around with it and see how it works. It should be fun. What else? Chat, do you have any other idea? Build a 30-day streak of doing a task in order to make it a habit. Maybe someone doesn't want to have his progress public to other users. Yeah, that's good. Extra feature. User, and this could be the paid feature. User can toggle to have his progress private. Like that. I guess I'll put this here as well. Oops. Let's just keep it minimum viable product. So sign up, able to start a new habit for 30 days. Are you planning to make this an app or website? The website. I was thinking the other way around. By default, it's private, and if he wants to share it. No, no, I want to kind of build a community around it, you know, and it's much easier when you share the progress and stuff like that. Their progress of the user. Okay. Yeah, so Mihai, you know Superbase. How hard will this be? Let other users join in with someone else. Yeah. Like you both can have the same leaderboard. I don't know. 1-2 days max. So do you think that we can build it today and tomorrow? Without the designer? You don't need a designer. Something simple. 1 habit per account. Oh yeah, that's another thing. Extra feature. User can add more than 1 habit at a time. So this is already something paid for. Paid features. So we can have can toggle the progress private. User can add more than 1 habit at a time. 1 points for Igor. Yeah. Let's give. Where Igor, you get the point. You get a virtual point. Or you can have like up to 3 habits. And then if you want more, like 5, 10 habits, you can. First thing, start with authentication. After that, the welcome screen with text area. Specify his habit. If with Mihai help, you can build it in 2 days, he can have all my points. Users. Yeah. Alright, so habit. Let's build habit. Cool. I'm excited. New project. There's so many projects already. Hey, do we have Fabit.io? We buy the domain name. Fabit. That's just right, Fabit. Fast habits. Habit.com. Look at that, it's just $92,150. Yay! Cool. You have to leave. Oh, why is this premium? I don't understand. Why is it Fabit? Fabit that helped? Yeah, maybe. Fabit is from habit, but with an F in front, like from Florin. Or fast habits, or furious habits, or yeah. Fabit. I don't know. Stuff like that. Fabit.io is taken. Please tell me it's not taken. No. It's taken 2018. What? Faber. This is Faber, it's not Fabit. No, it's not. McFlurry habit. Like eating a McFlurry each day. Yeah. Or Dabbit. But that... Fabit Wiki, Fabit Cloud, Fabit Fun. Only $8 for 2 years. Fabit Fun. Your logo is on top of the video. Not sure what you mean. Where did all the screens go? Appetite. The appetite to develop a habit. That's cheesy. Appetite. Habit. Habit. Start building. Choose the name right. Yay! Someone's smart. And someone's rushing to go. All right. Let's go to here and do an npx create next app. Habit. Habit in the making. And in the meantime, let's go on Supabase. Supabase, base, Supabase, base. Supabase, base, Supabase, base. And here we want to do new project under. Let's do a new organization. Will be 0 to 100K. Yeah, I'll do another. Organization limit reached. Ah, I have a limit. I don't like to be limited. Anyway, I'll do it on the floating path. Whatever. 3 projects per organization. All right, so habit. A password. Someone say a password, and I might use it. And make it Central Europe. Coding Hotel. Hello, hotel. One, two, three, four. Yeah, that's. How do you know? That's my password. That's my email password. Okay. Try refresh in a couple of minutes. Blah 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 blah. URL. Yeah. Let's add that end file. I need this. This will be next public. Supabase URL. And the other one will be next public Supabase. What's this? API key. And this I'll just add it over here and close them. Yeah, my password will have purpose. Sure. Okay, so now there is Supabase Next.js. I want to look at that. I want to do everything here. So basically, I need a way for. Let's think. What do I do first? I do authentication, so people can, on the home page, when they join, they will see a nav bar and they can log in. Right? Right. So pop on pages, index. Hey, what are you making? I'm making habit, which is a habit tracker kind of thing. Oh, and I also want Tailwind. How do I add Tailwind? Let's do that. Tailwind to Next.js. I want this. And then configuration. Yay, Tailwind. Tailwind is the best. Oh, by the way, guys and girls, if we have girls, I have something very interesting which might come. Tailory. I'm joining Tailory to create Tailwind components and sell them. This might be one of the Store Flooring Pop 17. This might be one of the side projects which I have in the 0 to 100k challenge. But yeah, I won't start yet, but this is fun, like building tailwind components and selling them is pretty interesting. Alright, that was just a side note for those of you who are alive now. Let me type something. Okay. So let's add that. And then tailwind config. Oh, I need to add this in the purge section. And I need to add this in app.js. Whoops. Good. So there's tailwind. Yay. Include your CSS. Sure, but I don't have styles. Did I create it? I always forget. Oh, I have styles. I'm kidding. But I do have styles. Bye-bye. Styles. Thanks. And then... Oh, then I do this again. Oops. Alright. Index.js, he will say, hello there. Habit is on the making. Alright, npm run that. How did you add yarn? npm install yarn, I think? Might be wrong. If I was good at design, I would be having a lot of fun selling components there. Yeah, I'm not good at designing either, but I'll hire one, so... Win-win. Well, I guess one win. Alright, habit is on the making. Good, now. Mihai, are you with us? Let's create the... I'll get the API keys, I got those. Building the app, create Superbase and... Oh, I need to install Superbase. I will add those. Superbase URL, Superbase and non-key. Oh, then I need this. Ooh, copy. Utils. Utils slash Superbase.js. Dummy. Superbase.js. I add this, and this will be Superbase URL, Superbase API key. Okay. That. Magic link, email and path, Gmail. Magic link. Magic link. I'll do magic link. As Mihai said, all you want is an input element to let them type a habit and start. Cool onboarding. Yeah, it's not that easy, folks. It's a bit more tricky. Yeah, first just magic link. Magic link, fine. So here in index.js, copy the handle log. Yeah, I can do it without you. Don't you think I can't? Okay, so yeah, this one. Do I do it? This is the trick. Do I do it in index, or should I do this as a wrapper? Let's set up React component measure logins. Well, it's magic. Okay. So sassy. Account page. After users sign up, we allow them to edit their profile page in account.js. You'll copy all the file. Yeah, let's copy all the file. Do as you say. But I can do it without you, don't you think I can't? Components. Do yes. And I'll paste this and then account page. Yeah, sure. Although so many, I don't like copying so much code. Account, yes. I'll change things in the afterwards. Now we have components, but let's update index. Yes, let's update it as well. Sure. Yay! Good. And then all that. So this is Fabit. Hey, where's Fabit? Where's my rabbit, Fabit? You don't need the count page. Too late. I have it. Oh, TLs. No, I don't have that. I have with TLs. Superbase. Is it exported like that? I forgot about it. Yeah, it is. So, yeah. Good. Hey. I think I have this on other pages as well. Yeah. Superbase. And then auth. Superbase. Is it everywhere? Whoa. Crazy. Alright. It looks cool. Yay. It has stuff. Yay. But now I can do this. I can do... Then send magic link. Loading. Check your email for the login link. Yay, let's check it. Instead of the account page, you can make the input your habit page. Instead of the account page, you can make the input your habit page. I don't get that. Hey! What? Oh, I have. Okay. Superbase plus next. Yay. So if session auth other account. Oh, so this handles like that the page which is shown. Oh, but I get it now. So yeah, I get it. So I'll show the so that habit page instead of the account page. Good. Get it. But why did I get the magic link? Should use this more often. Yeah. But shh. Shh. Don't tell anyone. That's a secret. I still didn't get it on my... Confirm. Yay! Relations public profiles do not exist. What? Yeah, I don't have the style, so that's why it looks bad. Website name. Oh, these are inputs. Oh, website. Sure. Name. Yeah, sure. Update. Public profiles do not exist. What's that? That's the count component. It requires some public users info table that you don't have. Ooh. So that's the alert. Okay, sign up. Good. So, account bye-bye. Account, I'll delete it. You gone. Or are you? What do I need here? Get profile. So profile. Oh, it has profiles. Yeah. That user set. Okay, profile, superbase, upsert. Upsert. That's like update. Returning minimal. Don't return the value after inserting. Interesting. Okay. So this is buy. And then I don't need a count here. I need, let's do timeline. Timeline.js. Guess. So I should go to habit, add habit something. Oh, upsert is update or delete or insert. So basically, let's think. So I have a form on a home page where it allows you to log in. Once you're logged in, it should check if you, that's the thing. Or sign up or log in. Welcome page. Yeah, welcome. Let's skip it here. In the meantime, I have to go to the bathroom. So be right back. Hello. Hey Alan, create a table habits. Check if the current user ID is present in the table. If not, you show him an input to add a new habit. Otherwise, he already has a habit. Then create a second table called streaks. There you can make a record with a date and a habit ID. That's how we would do it. But yeah, that's the idea. So your user can have one habit, and the habit, well, one habit or more habits, and then a habit can have streaks. Yeah, that seems good. It will be interesting to see how I get all of that out from there, but yeah. So let's do that. Create a new table. Habits. Where is the accent from? I got it from my mother and my father. What's the description of the habit? A habit, no description, whatever. Okay, so I get the idea of the habit, I get the user ID, which is a UID. And I also get the name of the habit, which is text, right? Created that is good, updated is good. So I guess that's I can have a completed or not. A foreign key that references the user ID. How to do that? So completed, this is Boolean. Where is the for? How do I do foreign key? Oh, what are foreign keys? Let's see. Foreign keys help maintain referential integrity of your data by ensuring that no one can insert rows into the table that do not have a matching entry to another table. I don't have. Shouldn't I have a users table? Did I create a users table? How do I do that? Supabase foreign key users table. Table that's similar to Excel spreadsheet. They contain columns and rows. Yeah, like Paul said that it should be created by default, but it doesn't show here, so. Yeah, check please. Well, say you can't see it here. See, you can see. Can't see. How do I do that? Link. So yeah, let's think. So this is this habit. Yeah, name would be good. It could text, yeah. Yeah, should be good. Supabase users table. That's great. See. Supabase is simple to manage your users. When users sign up, Supabase assigns them a unique ID. You can reference this ID anywhere in your database. For example, you might create a profiles table referencing the user using a user ID. Third-party logins. Okay, you can enable providers by Role level security. Authentication can only get you so far when you need random authorization. Role okay. Policies, yeah. Where clause is how it works. User signs up to progress news in the auth users table. So it should have, and I am signed up. So, okay, so first, you have to go one, like, create it without. Okay. I'm thinking, I guess I can add columns later, right? I was thinking if I should add a finished at or something like that, or the updated will like be updated. Anyway, let's save it like this. All right, so now what? Create it without. I guess in authentication users. Yeah, I have 2 users. In the meantime, let me do a pause. See where maybe everyone can see that. No, only people who are logged in should see. Let's see. Enable redirects to everyone. No. Enable update text to base user on their email. Insert text to other. Okay. So I do this here. Enable authenticated users to see the habits. Well, actually, they should see all the stakes, but yeah. Anyway, update, insert. What's this? I don't like this anyway. So what were you saying, Mihai? Where do I see the users table? Search. Users. Doesn't work. Oh, you're writing this code. Okay. Superbase returns a new. It sends Superbase a news in the auth. Superbase returns a directory which contains the user UUID. Every request to the database also sends the JWT. Postgres inspects the database is making the request. The user ID can be used in policy. Superbase provides a special function Postgres which extracts the user's UID from the JWT. This is especially used for creating policies. Okay. Create table, profiles, ID, UID, references, auth, users. What? Restrict users. Oh, so this says what this does. It's a bit tricky. I haven't worked that much with something like this. So many things here. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'll continue then. Good. So let's see. Here in the index, I get auth. Oh yeah, and shows that. I can also get. Oh, I want to get auth and timeline from components. And then components will have an index.js. Import auth from auth, import timeline from timeline, export auth timeline, like that. And then timeline, export default. Timeline. Turn dev. Hello. Good. Hey Max. Yeah, I'm building a Fabit. Fabit. Okay, now the auth here. So many classes. Yeah, habit tracker, exactly. All right, let's make this page look a bit better. So class name, this will be text 5xl. This will be like a box, and this will be the wrapper. Yeah, that will do. So flex column, min height, green, and then justify center align items center. This will be a box, as I said, maybe some padding, BG purple 700. This can be, yeah, that's good. Then this is like that, font bold, description, sure. This will be text excel, shadow S, shadow MD. I feel that every time we start a new project, we are hit with the same login register, and I'll pass to the first. Yeah, what I want to do is to create some kind of an MVP project, some kind of a boilerplate, and then I can use that everywhere. So that's going to be good. Class name input field. No, I want this to be border px for py2. Like that. The button I want it to be BG purple 900, text white, PX for PY2, text center, all that stuff. Yeah, look at that. Cool. I want this to be text white. Looks so ugly. Rounded. Yay. MY for, this can be for, okay, text center, rounded, and I don't want div around those. Well, this will be class name flex, justify between, okay, rounded, stem, and this as well, rounded stem. Flex 1. Okay, and base X here. I guess it looks weird. Margin top 4, margin bottom 8. Sort of. Should be a bit wider though. So let's make this width 96. Whoa. Width full, max width 2XL, max width XL. Something. All right. SQL editor. Sure. Where is it? Where is it, by the way? Oh, SQL. Oh, whoa. What's this? Query. Whoa. This is fancy. Welcome. Country. Slack clone. To-do list. Alter table habits. Add constraint. FK user ID. Foreign key user ID. Reference auth user ID. Paste this. This here, like that. And what's this love? They're on query 1. But why is query 1, by the way? So alter, it changes the habits table and adds a fake user ID, foreign key user ID to user ID, reference auth table ID. Alright, run. Success, no rows returned. So now in the table editor, this will add a foreign key on user ID that refers the ID is user. But why couldn't, yeah. How can I see the table now? Edit table. No. Now if you do go to habits, and you want to add a row, okay. Oh, this. Well, yeah. Shouldn't I be able to select this? Something. You don't have content. Yeah. Oh, and the habit will also... No. So the user should match values. Okay, good. Let's do the streak as well. Streaks. Or this is like entries in the habits table. Entries in the habits table. Okay, so this will have like I'm thinking now. So basically what we want, this will have some content, which will be text. Like people can say, today I did blah 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 blah. Then also it should have the habit ID, which will be the UID, and we can now link it to habits. Yay. Save. Oh, int 8. Ooh, interesting. And what else? Like created time, text. How? So basically every day, let's figure out 7 days. I'll create 7 streaks. No, that's a streak. 7 entries. One habit can have multiple entries. And the thing is that they should be one after the other, right? Like I'm thinking I now go to the website and there is a calendar and I can check if it's completed. So completed. Yeah, I think that you can do only in React code. What do you mean by that? to check all the entries one after the other. Yeah, but then the trick will be to see like they will be 24 hours apart. And also, will I do it something like if they fail a day, they will be disqualified or something? Or people can come in 3 days after and... Yeah, I know I can check after that, but... Yeah, let's go with this. We'll see. It's tricky a bit, but we'll figure something out. Oh, and by the user... No! I also need to add that thing for the user. Right? Or shouldn't I check, like... Yeah, it should check it for the user. So I'll do the same code as you created, but it will be for... Yeah, but then when I show it, I'm thinking when I'm showing it on the timeline, I show only the entries, right? And I'll go then back to the habit to get the user ID. I want to say show on the timeline day 5 of running by Drake. And the message, today was a good run. So alter table, this is entries, right? Hey Drake, how are you? Entries, and like the same thing. Add constraints. What's this FK user ID? I'm not sure what the FK is for. Sleepy. That's a name for the constraint. Can be anything. A name for a constraint. What's a constraint? Well, anyway, is this code good? Can I run it? It will add the same thing, I guess. Run! Column user ID references foreign key constraint does not exist. Oh, I don't have the user ID. I didn't add the user ID. Well, now it's just the entry, but not necessarily the act. But like on the timeline, you can see that Florine was just go without it. But what if I need it someday? I guess I can change this and add stuff. So let's go to Paint. This is what I have in mind. This is the time. Wait. Timeline. Right? The timeline. This is the home page, something like that. And then we'll have boxes because everything is in the box nowadays. And then this will be maybe, I don't know, the user somewhere. FLO. And a smiley face. Funny. And then this is the text here. Today was a good run. You know, text. Because that's his update. And I guess it can show like which habit he's on. Running or stuff like that, you know? Like here, like a running man, for example. Running, you know? And that's the update. And then here again, someone else with another face. This is vid, and vid says something like quit sugar, like that. And then this is the sugar cube habit. Okay, and yeah, maybe you'll have a heart here which you can press to like it. Oh, then I need to have likes in the table. Oh, and then the likes. Ah, that's a bummer. The likes should be based on the users again. How to do that? Anyway, so did you get my drawing? And let's make Mihai as well. Mihai has another face. Like that. And then Miha. Okay. And Mihai has been, I don't know, reading. Read book. Nobody likes my drawings. And then here's a book. Like that. Yes, that's status update. Exactly. And then again, we can like it. And let's say I liked this book. See? So something like that. And you know, on timeline you can scroll and you can like people's updates and stuff like that. You know? Should be fun. Right? And if you click here, you'll... Or I'm not even sure. No. Well, that could become like later, but right now, no. Something like this. So a place, that's the social part of this. Like, you get to see what's everyone been doing, you know? Okay. Good. So now, yeah, I can, I guess... Whoa, text. Text, purple, 800. Format, make money, dev, and magic link. No, so a user has to add a text to stick their habit, no default text. I guess, yeah, it will have a default text. Guess, I don't know. This is taking so long. What's happening? It's been loading. Loading, handle email, loading through, sign in. Check your email for the login. Superbase is down. Ooh, whoa. Check your email for the login link. Yay. So let's see. Confirm. And now you're here. Hello. This is the timeline. Awesome. The website doesn't work for you. Oosh. Good. So let's make the timeline. This is the timeline. A cool timeline. And then on the timeline, we need the timeline will be, yeah, all the habits, all the, like, the entries, not even the habits. So yeah. Avatar. Whoa, that's so. Let's see. Get profile. Get profile. I want to get the. I need these two. Super bait. Oh, not like I need to check if there are habits. Oh, for now, let's just show all the entries and stuff. So you state super base, and I want to have loading user. No, I want loading. I don't want. I want. You tested too many SQL queries. Yeah, who knows what you did. So I want const entries, set entries to be use state. This will be an array, right? So then we'll get a sync function get entries, and then we'll have here this use effect. I'll also have the session. Where's the session though? Session. That's weird. But where's the session setting? I don't get this. Okay, so you're saying if you keep it like this, you should be able to do something like data error, awaits from habits, select ID, user ID, created at entries, ID, content. Oh, you can't. Whoa. Really? And why would I need the ID of the habit? I don't need that. Also, the ID of the entry, do I need that? So select. Yeah, so I don't need this, right? I need the user ID, the created. And can I get the user as well? Hey, late gang, yeah. Oh, I forgot we should have some middle code. So I want to have the user which has the entry. As I saw you in the pane, do you want me to draw again? So I want to get all the entries, the habit, which is, I don't know, rating, and then the user who did those, right? That's tricky. Let's just get it. Yes, it's the one. Will I get it? I mean, I get here the user ID, right, from this code. But do I get the user details as well? I only get the user ID. Do I need to do another query based on the ID? You know what I mean? Because here I can get the entries. But how do I get the entries? I don't understand. So basically, I'm looking in the habits table, and I get these. What are the entries? You know what I mean? Currently, I'm working with habit, which is a habit tracker. So this is what I was thinking to do. Const data entries, error of course, and then await Supabase from entries, select stuff. Okay. Okay, good, I guess. Well, let's put the entries. Let's keep the data. And I'll do here set entries as entries. And let's see what data we get back. Console, what the data, not entries. And then here I'll do entries that no JSON stringify entries null 2. Session is not defined. I was thinking, why? How do they have session here? What does session do? Oh, it's passed here, duh. And where this comes from? Interesting. Session. They pass it up to prop? Really? Oh, okay. Good. This is in index.js. So yeah, I should pass it then as well. Where is index.js? Timeline. Session. Okay, so yeah, but now I don't have any entries yet, so we can get entries, I guess. Okay, I have an empty. Supabase is not defined. Supabase. Okay, so I don't have any entries. So how do I create a habit based on the user? That's the trick. Because I don't have the user table. Why can't I see the users table? Because I want to create a dummy habit. Insert row, user ID. See? You can hide your screen and so here in SQL query. Oh, select all from users like that. Okay, run. Oh, nice. Invited, confirmation, recovery token, so many things. And I get the idea, right? Yeah. Good, and I want the ID of... Yeah, my screen is here, but not that one. Where's the email? Okay, here. Good. Why can't I copy this? Can I copy? No. Can't copy. Ha! Alright, so now I can create... Yeah, I saw that. So I can create now a habit. Let's insert. So I want a user ID, view data. What's it? I copied the user ID. Anyway, name will be running and completed false. Save. Okay. And now entry. I want to see an entry of habit ID. Oh, yeah, good. Completed through and content. Day I ran for more kilometers. It was so easy. I'm like Flash. Alright, good. Save. You can do it with the user 1 and the entries it will work to view data. What? I'm using Supabase. Alright, but yeah, and now I need to do auth here, policies, entries, new policy, and I want read access to everyone, sure. To authenticated users. So auth.uid, or how was it? Let's go back, view them. Auth role, auth email, auth UID, user ID, no, auth UID, no, auth.authentic role that authenticate. Okay, this one. Use this template and this. Insert, update, delete, all. No, I don't want all this. Policies. I want select and then this. Read all entries if the user is authenticated. Alright. So now should be able to see that, right? Right. Array of 0. Also this for the habits. Oh, okay. Makes sense. Policy. Select. Read all habits if this is authenticated. Now this is tricky because I'll also have to do the public and private ones, but yeah, whatever. Good. Inspect. Okay. So I get a user ID, I get created, the entry is content. Alright, so yeah, but how do I get now the user name, for example? I don't know if I have a username, but yeah. How do I add a user? Yay, hey Lara. Yeah, but basically what I can do here, so entry is not the data, why can't I get entries directly and select content from entries? Content and how was it? So content and habits user ID, like that. Created that, sure. Yeah. Okay. You don't have a username stored anywhere. For that you need to add another table, public users. The data is habits. But the data I want the entries. So now I can do something like entries, map, entry. Oh, I guess I can get the ID as well. Entry. Okay. Okay, good. And here I can have a div with a key to be entry.id, and it can be it can have the entry.content id content. Yeah, let's go back. It's simpler that way. You can see it. And then class name. Again, something. Yeah, let's make boxes again. Like here. Purple text, blah, 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 blah. Max width LG. And this should go inside a paragraph, which has a class name of text Excel. What data do I have created at habits. Habits. What else I have? Name. Yeah, but hey. Did you add the relations yet? Users? Yeah, I did. So I also want to have something like by no. I want to have the habits somewhere. Let's add another span. This will be entry.habits.name running. See? Class name. This will be absolute BG white text purple 800 absolute top 0 right 0 text small padding X 2 padding 2 rounded. Okay, and this will be relative. Ugly. PX2 PY1 and not rounded. No rounded. It's a paid project. Nah, so fun project. BG purple 100. Text semi font semi bold. Okay. Weird. This seems now gray again. Why is it gray? It should be white. Anyway. Okay. Yeah. I came back to see a banner of you bragging about running. Seems legit. Yeah, create table public profile. You preferences out users not no display text no primary KD. You will need this table if you want to store display name, for example, but you will also need to make a profile page where you let him add his username. Yeah. Fancy. But sure. Well, I don't like that yet, but anyway. I guess class name, container, MX auto. BG rad. Why doesn't it work, MX auto? This is timeline is heal, container, what fold. Alright, good. What style and stuff here? No. Okay. Yeah, I guess sound padding. Margin Y. Yeah. Alright, okay. Okay. Yeah. So that's cool, I guess. Can't you just run a migration instead of creating the table by writing the SQL? I didn't try space. I have no idea. I don't know what I'm doing. Just by center. Flex column. Hey. PG. Right. Flex. Oh. Justify item center. What's that? Perfect. Oh boy. Long project. But hey. Kind of worked. Running, and I can say the date number. That will be fun. How to do that to show the number. Running day something. Entry dot I need to get the habit. I guess if the habit will have a day, yeah. You had all the entries in an array. Oh, I see. But this will be tricky to, like, imagine we have 100 people. Each has a habit, and each habit has 5 entries. So that's 500 people with their habits. And we can't show them all on the screen at once. So yeah, that would be one trick to do. Maybe just show the habits on screen. No, because I want to see something like, yeah, this is what, no, I want this. It's more effective than like saying Florine went running again, or Florine, I don't know. I want to see like what I did. Or it can just simply say, if it doesn't have a content, it can just say something like complete a day through or 2 of running. And that could be one idea. Instead of having the content, it can just have day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. And I can check like when they started the habit and the day. Yeah, it will be tricky. Yeah, that I will have selected. I will have a calendar for each habit, and each day be selected in the calendar, and maybe on hover on specific date see the comment. But that will be a lot of work. Yeah, like on their profile could be, but even like when you add the, I still need some kind of a date picker. Not even sure. No sugar today. See? Stayed away from sugar. Stayed away from sugar. Stayed away from sugar. And then the leaderboard. Yeah, last one. And see? Time. When? Alright, yeah, but here you can just check in. Like, you come here and yes, and then it will save. Thanks, Penguin. Yes, see, and then you have to log in because you're not logging in. So this is, yeah, fun. And it only shows a couple of things. Yeah. Yeah, they use Tailwind. Tailwind is fun. So yeah, this will be tricky to build. Basically here I have to ask, what habit do you want to have, right? And then I guess maybe at the beginning it can be a list of habits, predefined list of habits. So that way, yeah, that could be good. I can have a predefined list of habits and people can sign up. And then they can add entries. It could be nice to send an email when they failed. I'll have to run every day a cron job to check if people will complete their task. If not, they will fail. Kind of interesting. Yes, I've read Atomic Habits. Actually, I've read it once and then started again. Now my wife is reading it, so yeah, it's a great book. Yeah, I don't mind the server, sure. But now you need to figure out how we're going to do this. So as I said, when we log in, it will check, do this person has a habit? If they have, they can select the day to complete it. Have you run today? And then they can complete it. And they can add a comment if they want. And that's it. You can say, come again tomorrow to mark your habit. But then again, I guess, yeah, it should work. And on the timeline, we can see X completed that and Y completed that. I can do an SQL query for the last, I don't know, 50 entries and what they did, who did what, stuff like that. I mean, it should be fun. But I need that thing, so they select. A predefined list of habits. Yeah, a predefined list of habits, and if they want their own habit, they can create it if they pay. Let's go to the note. Ideas. Hey, there's a space. Secret keyword time. Yeah. We'll do late gang. I won't do secret key anymore. So extra features. Start a new habit for 30 days. And then is able to mark daily the habit as completed. The user add the column into the habit. The user can set time with updates from other. Yes, okay. Extra features. User is able to start a habit for 30 days from a pre-selected list of habits. Reading, running, working out, stuff. And then paid features. User can create his own habit. His personal habit. And the nice thing about this is that imagine on the timeline, you can see like running and reading and stuff like that. But if someone creates their personal habit, then that's unique. And then when they go, other people going on the timeline and they would like to try that habit as well, they will want to try that habit and they will have to pay. So, ka-ching. Cool, I like this project. It will take a year to finish it, but hey. User writes habit to be tried. User habit selects the habit to be tried. Will there be a quantity input or something like read X pages, run X kilometers, study for X hours, with just a checkbox for either done or not done? Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. It's a good idea. And then Mihai, so if I do something like this, like people can create their own habits. But no, people can select from a list of habits, then I don't need to link one habit to a user. I need to link one habit to multiple users. How will I do that? It will be... Or no, I'll add a habit to the user. So I'll need to create a users table, kind of. Yeah, I'm not good at database and backend and all that, so tricky. But should be fun. Been streaming for almost 2 hours. I think I'm going to take a break now. Break the leg. And I'll figure things out here somehow. Should be fun. Let's do the late gang. Whoa, where it went. Open folder, chat leaderboard. I'll try to make the database design based on what you said here until tomorrow's stream, but now I also need to go. I'm already late. Yeah, take care of what you're doing. So yeah, late gang. Points. npm run database. I think people prefer an app like that to be an app on the phone, not a website. Sure, I know, but the beginning, you know. Yeah, exactly. It can be a progressive web app. Yeah, I don't want to worry too much of like all the features and stuff. extra features like make it a PWA. See? Notes. It is. I did that. No, not to do, sorry. They recap. And there are probably some tools to convert it to a native app, although I don't know how that works. Yeah, me neither. Daily recap, yes. Day 42. Finished writing an article on the blog, and then started working on a new project called Fabit. Fabit. A habit tracker. Created the Superbase DB, created the Next.js app, connected the app with the DB. What the Fabit? Yeah, Fabit. What the F stands in Fabit? It's a fast habit. It's a fluorine habit. It's a freakishly fun habit. Fabulous habit. Yeah, sure. Well, something with F. That's a good question. Don't tell anyone what that stands for because I won't. It's just Fabit. Is it Fabit or Fabit? I forgot. Alright, Fabit. Oh, Fabits. Oh, yeah, name chip. Fabits. Let's see, maybe I have. Taken. Fabits. FA bits. Fabit's store. Ew. Fabit's name meaning a Fabit's family. Come on, riffing Fabits. This is a person. Fabits, not just habits, make habits. Habits.n. Oh well. Yeah, whatever. Fabits, Fabit, Rabbit, or so Fabits. Whatever. Alright. Late gang. Oops. Let's get some points. Check the leaderboard. Vid is on the first place and Igor second. Wow, nice. Nice. Active people. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I have to turn on late gang. Why didn't anyone say anything? Late gang, too. Yeah. Late gang, start. Five people. Igor, second place. Nice. Vid started like he went slowly up to the top there. All right. Good job, everyone. I'm sleepy now. Anyway, thank you all for joining today. See you again tomorrow, roughly the same hour. Hopefully, if nothing happens. And yeah, I wish you all a good day. Take care. Bye.